So today we are going to be doing a long division problem. We are just starting with the basics for long division, so we are actually going to do it with boxes and dots. And that's going to give us a visual idea on how long division works, and eventually we'll get into the standard algorithm that your parents know how to do. So the problem we're doing first is 8 divided by 3. In order to do this problem, we are first going to change it into the garage style. So I'm going to read it, 8 divided by, and then the number 3. Even though it looks like 3 is first, we always say the total, or the number in the box, which is actually called the dividend, first. 8 divided by 3. Now I'm going to look at the 8. I have one digit, so I'm going to draw one box. And in the box, I have to place 8 dots. I can draw them any way I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, if I draw them all mishmash, it's going to be harder to circle equal groups. So instead, I'm going to make my box. And I already know I want them in groups of 3. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can easily see how many groups of 3 I can make. 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3. So 3 goes into 8, or I can make 2 groups of 3 from the number 8. But I have to let them know that I have 2 extra pieces left over. In math, we call this a remainder. There are 2 remaining that didn't get used. And we show that by writing an R for remainder and then the number 2. So this 2 is my number of groups, 1 group, 2 groups. And these 2 dots are my remainder, so we write remainder 2. Let's try another one. What if we do 9 divided by 2? And I should have written it 9 divided by 2 to begin with. Again, 9 divided by and the number 2. I have one digit, so I'm going to draw one box. I need to make 9 dots. I can make them any way I want, but I might as well draw them in groups of 2 to make my life easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I can automatically see that one dot right here did not fit in my equal groups. So I have 1 equal group, 2, 3, 4 equal groups, and then how many will be left over or remaining? 1 remaining. So 9 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 1. 4, remainder 1. Let's do one more. Let's do 8 divided by 4. So let's build our garage. 8 divided by 4. I have one digit, so I'm drawing one box. I need to put them in groups of 4, so I'm going to draw 8 dots, but I'm putting them in groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, I have none left over. Awesome. 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and there are none left over, so I don't need to write remainder 0. I can just leave it as is. So 8 divided by 4 equals 2. This is your number of dots. This is your number in each group. And your answer is your number of groups. Hope you found this alternate way of doing long division easier to understand. Good luck on tonight's homework.